Today we've got a tutorial on leveraging Brand24 to find the perfect brand ambassadors and partners. Let's jump in if you're ready to boost your brand's reach and authenticity. First up, we've got the Mentions tab. Imagine your brand is all about eco-friendliness. Keep an eye on social discussions around eco-friendly, sustainability, and green living. Brand24's filters make it easy to sift through the noise, allowing you to pinpoint potential influencers aligned with your brand. Check their traction by looking at shares, likes, and followers to ensure they fit well. Now, onto the Influencers tab. You'll find metrics like mentions, reach, voice share, influence, and the influencer score here. These metrics help you gauge an influencer's impact and relevance to your brand. Remember, it's not just about your brand name. Consider industry-specific topics to find influencers with authority in your niche. In the Summary tab, discover popular mentions and top public profiles related to your brand. This valuable information provides insights into trends and influential figures within your industry, streamlining your search for the perfect influencers. Next up, the Analysis tab. This powerful tool offers comprehensive insights into mentions, engagement metrics, and sentiment analysis related to your brand or keywords. Assess the reach, voice share, and influencer score to strategically select influencers aligned with your brand's goals. And there you have it. With Brand24, you can monitor key phrases, discover influencers, and ensure seamless collaborations.